Hello everyone, this is Roque from Puerto Rico. I'm trying to do the part of the video part of the homework work. Um, I just had too many problems with too many people invited on the event for the community. So the only workaround was to try the public community and then store it and send it. So I hope I get someone join after all. I did finish the homework. I'm gonna share what I have and I'm gonna discuss it. So let's start. Okay, let me put my account. C9 account. I don't know if it might connection, but it's kind of slow. Maybe transmitting audio on the upload speed they have is giving me problems. So keep trying. There we go. Dashboard, come along, and then let's go to the worst. I did finish the whole homework. While the homework, I was trying on and on to have the broadcast set up and running. And I didn't manage to get the event posted within the community. So now I'm trying to record what I did, the roadblocks, the challenges, and so forth, so on. So in order to have something to submit, I hope that for the next homework, I will be able to do a real pair program. Okay, so here we are. Let's start with homework part 1. This is the very first time I try Ruby, so I kind of like to go with some function definition, test case definition. That's the way I start. And also, usually I have some other website around, like for example, for expression testing, and also for Colmine. That way I can test really quickly um, the approach. So at least I like to have those already loaded. In the first case, I first prompt word, I grab the definition. Then with that, I did the very first thing I did was having some test cases. I know that I know now uh, that I can use another approach to rise the section and then test the method uh, like that. So for this very first part, I said do a method, the sum which take an array of integer as an argument and return the sum of its element. For empty array, it should return 0. So what I did is that uh, I actually I did add some extra argument with the default optional one in order for me to do some thing to see what is going on inside the method. And actually, I put some errors on it inside. Now I know that I can use the exception approach for this. Anyway, what I did is I traversed the array. I like to double check that the array, all the elements within the array are integers. If that's the case, then I'll go and do the check if it's an empty array or not. In case an integer gets or something like that, I catch it on the very first part, and after that, what I do is that I I, I go and do the sum of all the elements, and that's it. Roadblocks here. At the beginning, just to make sure if you're gonna work with certain stuff for this part, you will need to include the no variable, and then another thing that you need to make sure, at least for me, is that you catch the exception. Okay, so I check for empty, I check for other kind of type within the array before doing the sum. Okay, so that's part one. Part two, method max to sum. It will return the sum of the two largest element. Again, I like to define the test cases beforehand. Use the same approach just to test. And actually, doing the test cases here, you can just add it as part of the test of the actual to try just from the test cases. Okay. So again, I do check-in, the same stuff that we already tried. Seems to me that my computer is having a problem. Just a second. It's Murphy Law. Too many things at once. So I don't know if I'm still recording or not. Anyway, again, you can copy from the test cases. Check for empty. Some element here is 0, so I'm returning 0. That if it's empty, and then if at least I have one element, I'm returning that element as expected. And then after that, I use the sort, and by that I will make sure I'm gonna take the two largest integers, and then I add them, and that will be the sum. Okay. Whoa. Seems to me that the recording is having problem. Apologize for that. Well, I will need to start the broadcast again. Sorry about that.